Hello guys, welcome to Chami channel again. Today we're just going to prepare tortilla wrap with omelette. Very simple method, very simple recipe to prepare. I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this. So join me, let's do it together. So I got my you can see I got all my ingredients, everything on already. Right. As you can see there, I got my egg that is already in a bowl. Got my spices in, and it's already preheated. I'm just waiting for the pan to be a little bit more hotter, and I'll just tip it in. It's been a long time I uploaded video, but I'm back on track, guys, so don't worry. We got more to catch up. I hope you guys are doing great, all my viewers. Welcome back to Chami channel again. So that is my egg. Got my spicy in. Just going to mix it. Right. I'm gonna take my oil in. It's a very simple recipe. All guys, you can practice it at home and surprise your wife with it or your kids. It's really nice. I really like omelette myself. Like I said, I start doing this thing just to encourage guys, just to be more supportive at home, especially to our loved one, the family, the kids. It's really, really important. At the same time, be patient with our family. Whatever happens, we should stay and support them and do our best to help them. Not only in cooking, anything that you can do to help at all, and be more patient with them. There are so many challenges that happen in almost every household, and the only thing we can use to defeat that is love and patience. Keep correcting them with love and patience, and keep the family going. Here we go. So I tip my egg in, and then I lower it with the medium heat and leave it to take its time to fry. So that's how you can see there. As you can see, the next minute or two I will try and see if I'll flip it over. Then our omelette is done. Let's flip it over, let the other side be a bit more brownish color, and that's it. It's looking gorgeous, absolutely wonderful. And just take your time and flip it over. That's it. Absolutely wonderful. So guys, welcome back to Chami channel again. We still got a few videos that we're gonna upload it, so watch it up So omelette is almost done. We are almost there. It's looking gorgeous. Really gorgeous. That's it. So guys, you can see our omelette is done. It's looking absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to present it on the plate. It's always been absolutely wonderful. So as you can see, that's the finishing of the omelette. Look how it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, you can see. It's wonderful. So guys, if you're at home and you're just doing all these things just to support your family, your wife, your kids, it's really, really helpful, you know. And other things that you can do to help as well. Like I said, whatever we can do to support our loved one in our relationship, anything. It's looking so wonderful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's a Chami channel. Welcome to Chami channel again. And I hope you guys are really, really enjoying watching this. So we all can practice them at home, guys. It's very simple recipe. Very simple procedure you can use. It's looking wonderful. I love omelette myself. I'll have this one for dinner. And you're going to look so gorgeous. So guys, so that is that. As you can see, it's looking great. So if you really, really, really love this and you enjoy watching this, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and share and thumbs up. It's very, very important. We can keep the channel going all the time. It's such a wonderful omelette. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Imagine this, you get up, you have issue with your wife or your girlfriend, and you get up and early in the morning, you surprise her with this wonderful, delicious tortilla omelette. Wow. She will forget about all the troubles, whatever you have done to her, and enjoy the meal. So guys, so that is as you can see. So omelettes have come to an end. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye. See you soon. Bye.